It's just a minor update basically. Yeah, so I just did a plot. I've got, about 3,500 data points now, and you can see obviously yeah, there's a little bit of a dip there. I don't know what's going on there. That's interesting. So we'll have to check that one out. But you can see basically, yes, obviously. I mean, there's hysteresis here, where it's kind of flicking between two values. Obviously on the ADC it's just switching between two values, and that's how the noise is manifesting. And there are ways of dealing with that as well, but I don't think it matters. It's not that, and over the course of time, over a long time, I think you'll probably see that change. So we've got the three lines here. So the purple one here, that's obviously the highest cell, and then we've got the yellow one here, which is the next highest, which actually is going to be the last one now, cell 3. We've got 0 and 2, maybe 0 and 2. So that's that one there. The purple one is cell 1. The yellow line here, that's cell 2, and this one, the blue one, is cell 0, which is the one that's currently being asynchronously charged. I'm quite sure if that's the right term, but that's what I'm using. There's obviously an accuracy error, which I've highlighted already, and also we have a cyan line, which is actually the pack voltage, which is on this scale. So it's reading, well, it's actually 11.4, you can see. Yeah, so it's kind of going up and down, just a small amount. But that's, I guess, to be expected. They're currently on, there we go, 0.8 volts, and I'm actually going to, because it's 6 o'clock now, so I'm going to stop it and then just let it balance on its own, and we'll do a bit of look. I mean, obviously the balancing is not something that's done through the MCU. I've literally just connected the balancer to it, and it's just simply using that now to asynchronously charge that cell. And I don't think it's going to get much higher than that. With a bit of luck, it should come up to full 4 volts. So tomorrow I'll probably do a bit of calibration, see if we can actually see those nice, those voltages all nice and close together. Because that one and that one are pretty much the same now, I believe. And the middle one is the one that's actually high. And I don't have a strategy for dealing with that. The only other way I can deal with that is essentially to set this PWM, this buck converter, to charge to 4.2 or something, which is above this one, and then that means it will then bring up those two to the same charge level or a similar charge level. Right, I'm done. 6 o'clock on workspace 10. Haha.